So I've got another absolutely filthy pool to drain and acid wash just for you guys. This pool has definitely seen better days, and you're gonna see a ton of algae and bubbles in this one. It's a complete mess. And the problem started when they had a major leak at their pump. Instead of fixing it right away, the pool sat all winter and slowly turned into a swamp. And by the time they called us, well, it was in pretty rough shape. While we've been working, the residents have been stopping by to watch and ask when they'll finally be able to swim again. They're excited to have their pool back, and honestly, so am I. So let's see if we can turn this neglected mess back into a pool the community deserves. We drag in the pumps and hoses and get everything set up to pump the water into the sewer. Once it's all running, there's not much for us to do but wait for the pool to drain, so we just head back to the truck. It was extremely hot that day, and it gets even hotter standing inside a drained white pool, so we'll take the air conditioning whenever we can. The heat also gave my GoPros a pretty tough time. Even with them sitting in the shade and under a little umbrella, they were still overheating after about 10 to 15 minutes. It made filming a challenge, but I managed to make it work by cooling them off whenever I could and taking them back to the truck. While we pour the acid, we also add sodium bicarbonate to the deep end where the acid collects. You might know this better as baking soda. The soda neutralizes the acid, creating salt water and carbon dioxide gas. The gas escapes through bubbles, and the salt water is then pumped out of the pool and back into the sewer.
stuff, ain't it?
Mm-hmm. You want me to move them closer too? I'll go get that other one. I just wanted to take a second to say thank you for all the incredible support we've been seeing lately. We really appreciate every one of you watching the videos and sticking with us. And thanks for being patient with the uploads as well. I'm working really hard to get these videos edited out to you as quickly as I can. And if you've been enjoying the videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel. And when you're done with this one, check out some of our other transformations too. Whether it's another acid wash or one of my green to clean videos, there's plenty more here for you to enjoy. This video ended up being a little bit shorter than I originally planned. The pool was smaller and a lot easier to clean overall, and with the heat we were dealing with, we were definitely thankful for that. I was hoping to make it back out during the week to film the pool after it was filled back up, but I couldn't fit it into my schedule this time, and I apologize for that. But I'll make sure to include those final shots in our next acid wash video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.